This video is about the manufacturing processes of non-stick frying pan. This is the job assignation of our group. The manufacturing processes of non-stick frying pan. Let's think about the moment when the food sticks to the pan. Of course, it is kinda annoying. We all do know that food has always the tendency to stick to the pan. However, we do ever had this experience before. Let's take comfort in knowing this fact. It is not all your fault. Fortunately, there is always a solution. That is the non-stick frying pan. These are the main reasons of why a non-stick frying pan has been commonly used.
The materials used in the manufacturing of a non-stick pan. The design and material selection vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. Some manufacturers prefer to use aluminium, whereas others prefer to use stainless steel for the body, or some use ceramic and others use PTFE or polyfluoroethylene for the non-stick coating, depending on their quality and the budget of their target market.
The handle of the pan, which is made out of silicone. The rivet, which is used to join the handle to the pan. The body, which is made out of aluminum sheet. The cookware surface, Teflon, non-stick coating. The reason of food sticking to the pan. The microscopic cracks will actually expand and enlarge when heated, resulting in the food sipping and sticking with it. The scratches on the surface of a metal pan will actually make it rougher, which will lead to a higher tendency for food sticking to it. The strong chemical bonds, when the wall's force of attraction is strong enough to pull the food to the metal surface.
Hello everyone, do you ever think about the properties of materials that can actually affect the functionality of a product? What are the properties of chosen materials that meets the functionality of a non-stick frying pan? Let's see.
Teflon is a long chain of carbon atoms with two fluorine atoms, which the bonding structure of Teflon is very stable and chemically unreactive. It has high molecular weight, low hydrophobicity and high electronegativity, and low coefficient of friction, high thermoplasticity, and a good dielectric properties. Aluminum is a shiny and silvery white color metal that is light in weight and strong. It has low density, high melting and boiling point, good corrosion resistance, and a good thermal conductivity.
Probably wondering how a pan is made. It is made through a casting process which is quite common to the industry. About non-stick pan, it is basically a thin coating of Teflon incorporated inside the pan prior to being sandblasted. If you guys want to know more, keep watching.
What actually makes the Teflon stick to the pan? There are several manufacturing processes with specific technique to get this thing done. The first step is metal forming. The molten aluminum is filtered and poured into a cool vertical rectangular mold in order to form a solid slab. The slabs are then heated and softened in order to be shaped. The slabs are then go through the hot rolling process where to form the aluminum sheet. The aluminum sheet is then undergone a stamping metal process by cutting and pressing it into a desired shape of the frying pan. The blanks are then washed and rinsed. Hard and sharp iron grit is then plastered across the aluminum to roughen its face. The plaster blanks are then plastered with pressurized air to remove any loose grit. The aluminum blanks are cleaned with alkali cleaner, followed by hot water rinse. The oxidation cleaning is then carried out to restore the bright and shiny appearance of the aluminum. After drying the aluminum blanks, they are coated with Teflon by spraying, brushing, and flowing it across their face. Sintering process is then carried out at a certain temperature for about 5 minutes. The complete manufactured body of the pan is attached to a silicone handle. Finally, a fully completed non-stick frying pan is manufactured. This is the manufacturer company of non-stick frying pan, the Lanyard Hardware Company. It is one of the local companies manufacturing non-stick frying pan in Malaysia, which was established in June 1977. It is now located in Sering Kembangan, Selangor. The company now is a fully automated facility with modern integrated automation system and can produce various grades of cast steel and other materials. Thanks for watching.